Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today, we are going to be Khaki Comic Club collaborations. So if you watched my last video, I was now going to do chapter 4. So I'm going to read you guys chapter 4. Gilbert and Curly heed the call. 45 minutes later. Oh my kids, I've checked everybody's rooms, and most of you have done a pretty good job. Well, all excuse it to supper time. Yay! What?
You want to listen to this?
Like,
Captain Underpants book?
well, sorry, Dad, I'm making a video. Oh, I'm making a video. All except for Curly and Gilbert. Hooray! Let's go, boys! I thought you said your rooms were clean. We said mostly clean. How are these rooms mostly clean? What is wrong with you? Well, the ceilings are clean, and the walls are clean. Only the floors are messy. So in terms of surface area, the floors are just a small percent of those rooms. Clean them now. But Daddy, we get distracted. Yeah, we always try to clean our rooms, but we always end up trying to make comics. Alas, our hearts long to clean, but our souls must heed the call of creativity. Oh, really? Well, that's too bad. I'm tired of your excuses, so I'm giving you two choices. You can either clean your rooms with a good attitude, or with a bad attitude. It's up to you. Really? Okay, I choose bad attitude. Stop. I am Fogzilla! Come here, you puny clan! Whoa! How dare you defy me? Somebody please help me! Somebody please help me! Into the box you go! Not the box! No! Where's my next victim? No way, please! You thought you could... Aha! You thought you could hide. No, please, I beg you. You can't hide from Fogzilla. No! Hey, Gilbert! What? Fogzilla is a really good idea for a comic. Right there! Sweet! Let's get started. Okay. What type of frog swam? It's a nuclear waste. So we began to grow and grow and grow. Hey, Daddy, are those guys done yet? The comic club is having a big meeting. We're making a new comic, Wally. It's called Fogzilla. I bet you never guess what it's about. Is it about a giant radioactive frog who destroys a city? Hey, how'd you guess? It sounds just like Godzilla. Can't steal someone else's idea. We didn't get the two. Stealing is against the law, you guys. Wally's right. Can't steal someone else's idea. Oh, man. You can make a parody. What's a parody? A parody is a humorous version of someone else's idea. Oh, you say we can't copy Godzilla, but we can make fun of Godzilla? Yep, that's totally legal. Let's make a parody. So I'm going to leave off at chapter 5. So bye guys. See you later. Bye.